Good evening, students. Today we have to discuss the topic two-dimensional analytical geometry 2, example 5.10. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 1, 1, 2, -1, 3, 2. First of all, we have to write the general form of the circle. Equation of the circle. Equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Okay, right. And the circle passes through 1, 1. First of all, it passes 1, 1, 2, -1 and 3, 2. We get, first of all, we apply in this equation 1, 1. This is x and this is y. What is the value here? 1 plus 1 plus 2g into 1 plus 2f into 1 plus c equal to 0. The equation we have 2g plus 2f plus c, which is equal to here 2 will come -2. This is equation number 2. And 2, -1. We apply 2, -1. 2 square, this is x and this is y. Apply in equation 1. What is the value? 2 square? 4 plus -1 the whole square 1 plus 2g into x, that is 2. So 4g plus 4g and 2fy, 2f into -1. So minus 2f plus c equal to 0. Therefore the equation is 4g minus 2f plus c, which is equal to here 5 will come to RHS side -5. This is equation number 3. And the third point 3, 2. This is x and y. Apply this equation. X square means 9 plus y square, 2 square 4 plus 2g, the x value is 3 plus 2f, the y value is 2 plus c equal to 0. Therefore 6g plus 4f plus c, this is 13, will go to that side -13. This is equation number 4. And we want to solve these 2, 3, 4 equations. First of all, we have to solve 2 minus 3. The equation is here 2 minus 3 implies 2 is 2g plus 4 minus 4g. So the answer is minus 2g and plus 2f plus 2f. That is minus 3 because plus 2f, so plus 4f and plus c minus c will 0 and equal to minus 2 plus 5 is 3. And the equation 3 minus 4 here. 3 minus 4 is, what is the value? 3 minus 4. 4g minus 6g minus 2g and minus 2f minus 4f minus 6f and c minus c 0. Here minus 5 plus 13 is equal to 8. Let us simplify these two equations. This is number 5 and this is number 6. Now we want to solve number 5 and 6. Here minus 2g plus 4f equal to 3. This is fifth equation. And we subtract the sixth equation. subtract the sixth equation means plus 2g or directly we can write minus 2g minus 6f equal to 8. Now subtract this. This is sign plus and this sign plus and this is minus. So what is the value here? Cancel 2g and this is plus 10f. Here 10f is equal to minus 5 and f is equal to minus 5 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore f value is minus 1 by 2 and we want to apply the f value in equation 5. And equation 5 implies that minus 2g plus 4f is equal to 3. Here minus 2g plus 4 into the f value is 1 by 2 is equal to 3. Therefore minus 2g, you want to cancel this is minus 2 is equal to 3 and minus 2g is equal to 3 plus 2. Therefore minus 2g equal to 5, g equal to minus 5 by 2. This is the value of g. And now we want to find the c value. Apply the second equation here. If you had any doubt, you can rewind this video. Now we apply f value and g value. Here f value is minus 1 by 2. 2g, 2 into minus 5 by 2 plus 2 into the f value is minus 1 by 2 plus c is equal to minus 2. Here cancel these 2 and these 2, these 2, these 2. So the value is minus 5, minus 1 plus c equal to minus 2. And here minus 6 plus c equal to minus 2. Therefore c is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Here minus 6 and then plus 6. C equal to value is 4. There are three values we have to find: f, g, c, and we apply the equation 1. Apply the equation 1. X squared plus y squared plus 2. The g value is minus 5 by 2 into x plus 2f into 2. The f value is minus 1 by 2 into y plus the c value is 4 equal to and 0. We have to rub this. X squared plus y squared. Here cancel these 2 and minus 5x and cancel these 2 and minus y plus 4 is equal to 0, which is the required equation of the circle. Refer the sum. An example 5.11. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the circle x square plus y square equal to 25 at p minus 3, 4. Here we have one shortcut for find the equation of tangent. The x square is replaced by x1 and the y square is replaced by y1 and the x is replaced by 1 by 2 x plus x1 and y is replaced by 1 by 2 y plus y1. This is very important replace table for find the equation of tangent and normal. Okay, here the equation of tangent is of the form. Equation of tangent is of the form x squared plus y squared is equal to 25. Here we have to write, replace x squared by x1 plus y squared replaced by y1 is equal to 25. Okay, right. Now it passes through the point P. It passes minus 3 comma 4. It passes minus 3 comma 4. This must be x1 comma y1. We apply the equation 1. X into x1 value is minus 3. So minus 3 x1 plus here y into y1. Y1 value is 4. So 4y is equal to 25. Okay. So this is the equation of tangent, and we have to change the value 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 25. This is the equation of tangent, and we want to find the normal. The equation of normal is of the form here. This is the tangent equation, and we want to change this tangent equation to normal. Change the coefficients. Exchange the coefficients. If we write x and y, the minus 4 here only taken the number only. We don't take sign. So we have to exchange the coefficients. Here 4, there is no minus. We have to take. So take only number. Don't take with sign. So we have to take only the number here 4x, and the coefficient x is come to y. This is the x coefficient, and here this is the y coefficient, but we don't take the sign only. And what is the sign here? The y sign is minus, so we have to write plus, and additionally we have to write plus k, which is equal to minus 25 or equal to 0. Sorry, equal to 0, because this is the tangent and this is normal. Each lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, right. So 4x plus 3y. First of all, we have to exchange the number only. Okay, right. Here 4, and take the x coefficient as 4. Here the x coefficient is 3, and take the y coefficient as 3. In the y coefficient sign is minus, so we have to change opposite sign. Plus 3y plus k equal to 0, and we apply the point minus 3 comma 4. It passes minus 3 comma 4. This is x and y. Apply the value 4 into minus 3 plus 3 into 4 plus k equal to 0. 4 into minus 3 means minus 12. Here plus 12 plus k equal to 0. Minus 12 plus 12 cancel, therefore k equal to 0. Therefore the equation must be, apply the value k. 4x plus 3y plus k value is 0, so equal to 0, which is the required equation of normal. Or otherwise, we have to find another method of normal. How to find it? We have a formula. Equation of normal. Equation of normal. This is the standard method, and this is the formula method. We have a formula x y1 minus y x1 equal to 0. Right? Here x y1, the value of x is minus 3 and 4. So here minus 3, x into the y1 value is what? Y1 value is 4. Here we have to apply 4, and minus y into the x1 value is minus 3, so plus 3. Okay, equal to 0. Directly. Example 5.12. If y equal to 4x plus c is a tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a9, find c. We have a formula for a tangent to the circle. We know that the formula c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. This is the formula here, where c is this value, and a is the radius and m is the slope. Okay, right. Solution here, m equal to 4 because y equal to mx plus c, comma a equal to 3 because x square plus y square is equal to a square. Here the radius considered as a, so a equal to 3 because a square is 9. We have to find the c value. C square is equal to a square 1 plus m square. This is the important condition for a tangent line to the circle. Here c squared is equal to the a square value is 9, 1 plus the m square value is 16, and the c square is equal to 9 into 17. We have to take the square root on both sides. C equal to plus or minus root of 9 into 17. Next, c is equal to plus or minus, take 9 to outside, 3 root 17. So this is the example 5.13. A road bridge over an irrigation canal have two semi-circular vents, each with span 20 meter and the supporting pillar width 2 meter. Use figure 5.16. This is the 5.16 figure to write the equation of two semicircular vents. These two are semicircular. Let O1 and O2 be the center. The diagram will be given. Let O1 and O2 be the center of semicircular vents. Semicircular vents, right? We want to find the value of O1 point. That is, O1 is the circular vent width is 20 meter and this must be 10. Okay, this is 10 meter and the width of the pillar is 2 meter. Totally this point is 12, 0. This is the x-axis. So this 10 and this 2. So totally 12, 0. This is O1. 12, 0. And O2. Here, this is completely 20. And this is 2. And this one is also 2. The pillar, supporting pillar is 2 meter. So this is completely 20 and here 2 and here 2. So totally 24. Here 24 and this length is 10 meter because this is the center. So this is 10 meter. Therefore the O2 is 34, 0. This is 2 and this is 20. So 22 and 2 24 and remaining this circular radius is 10 meter. So totally 34. 34, 0. Okay. Both circular and having the radius is 10 meter because this is 10 and this is 10. Therefore the radius of two circular vents, radius of two semi-circular vents R is equal to 10 meter. R is equal to 10 meter. And we want to find the equation of circle or semicircle because this is semicircle. So we want to find the circle only. Center O1 12, 0 and radius x minus is equal to r square. Here x minus, the h value is 12 whole square plus y minus k value is 0 whole square is equal to r square value is 10 square because r is 10 meter. Here we want to expand the a minus b whole square formula. X square plus 144 minus 24x 2 into 12x plus here y only, so y square and this is 10 square, come to this side, minus 100 equal to 0. Now arrange the value x square plus y square, x squared plus y squared minus 24x and 144 minus 100 is plus 44 equal to 0. This is the one circular bend equation. And another one we have to find. This center is O2. O2 34, 0, radius is 10. And we want to find x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square is equal to r square. Here x minus h value is 34 whole square plus y minus 0. Y minus 0 the whole square is equal to r square value is 10 square. Here expand this x square plus 34 square is 34 and 1156 and minus 2 into 34 into x, so minus 68x plus y squared is equal to 100 or minus 100 is equal to 0. X squared, arrange the value x squared plus y squared minus 68x, subtract this term 1156 minus 100 because plus 1056 value, 1056 equal to 0, reduce 100 value. So this is the required another circular bend. Okay, this is the equation of circle. Refer the sum. Thank you.